Okay guys, I want to interview Mr.
Janyo.
Mr. Janyo, where you came from?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa?
Yes.
So what your mission here in the Philippines?
Support the people, the homeless people. People don't have a mom, don't have a father. Even people.
Can you speak louder?
Sorry?
Can you speak louder?
Yes, we help the homeless people, even people use the drugs, because we chose to be missionary in our country because we follow in Jesus. That's why we come here with us, the 17, we support that children. And so we come in the Philippines, we sell this detergent to try support, feed the people that sleep on the street. That's
so, what company is that?
Remar.
Remar.
Ministry, yes.
So how long have you been here in the Philippines?
I have just 5 months here, and we have 8 months, we have 20 years, because when we just be 1 year and change the country, understand?
Okay, your companion from Africa only?
Brazil.
No, Belgium.
Brazil.
Brazil. How about you, sir?
Batangas. Uy, sorry.
Ay, Batangas. Do you know how to speak Alai?
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Hindi masyado.
Oh, very nice. Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog. Ikaw, marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
I don't speak Tagalog.
I don't speak.
5 months here.
How about you, sir? Can you speak Tagalog? No.
Portuguese. I'm still learning.
Portuguese. Okay, I give you 1 minute to promote your product, then shout out to other people to support your mission here in the Philippines.
Okay, the most important thing is not about the product, it's not about the missionaries thing. It's about support the people that need our help here in the Philippines. So this product is total clean disinfectant. It's good for the flowers, contratop, stylist, CR, and use that 1 liter to mix with 4 liters of water because it's strong and concentrate. We do our best to the people that want to support us. So guys, thank you. You can support us between buying this product. Thank you.
How much is this 1 bottle?
It's just 100.
100. Oh guys, kung gusto nyo bumili ng total cleaning at supportahan nyo. Do you have a page in YouTube, FB page? Do you have a page of Facebook or YouTube or any contact about the selling to total cleaning?
Can address. Can have this page?
Guys, nasalubong natin tong mga baka may mga magbibigay ng flyers. Here's my flyers. Okay, I take these flyers to include the vlog today. So thank you very much. Nice meeting you guys. Good luck and God bless you. Thank you very much.